You're probably seeing the viral AI Sari selfies everywhere. But what no one is talking about is the moment where users started seeing something bizarre. Hey everyone, I'm Ritesh Agde, and today we are going to talk about the viral AI phenomenon that took an unexpected airy turn, AI Sari trend. What began as a beautiful digital fashion experiment quickly raised serious privacy and ethical questions when users started spotting strange, creepy, hidden details in AI-edited images. In September 2025, Instagram feeds across India was exploded with the new AI trend, AI Sari filter. Upload a selfie and AI wraps you in a stunning retro-style sari, giving you that vintage Bollywood glow. Almost everyone tried it, sharing their AI Sari photos on Instagram and WhatsApp, and even challenging their friends to join the fun. But while everyone was enjoying this trend, something strange started happening. As more people tried the filter, some noticed odd marks or details in their AI-edited photos that weren't there before. The trend took a sudden turn when a creator's video went viral. She noticed the AI added a mole on her arm that was completely covered in her original photo. This went viral and gained a lot of attention. Media outlets across India jumped on the news. Leading platforms such as Hindustan Times, NDTV, India Express, Economic Times, Times of India and Gulf News all reported on the viral video and the privacy concerns it triggered. As panic and speculation spread across social media, Google responded with an official statement. The company explained that their Gemini AI does not use any personal photos stored in Google Photos, Google Drive, or any of their Google Cloud services. They said if something private appears in the AI edits, it's just a coincidence. The AI is trained using patterns from many public pictures to create new photos by guessing based on what it learned. It is not seeing through clothes or finding secret files. Experts also explained how this AI works. When a selfie is uploaded, AI looks through millions of sari photos to create a new one. If a body part is covered, AI guesses what could be there based on what it has learned before. Sometimes these guesses accidentally match the real detail. But this isn't magic, or it does not have access to private details. Although these are assurances, some people are still skeptical about it. Many users aren't fully convinced that these accurate guesses are always harmless. The whole incident made people more aware that no matter how cool the trend is, trust on technology isn't easy. And just like any other viral trend, this too will fade away as new filters and challenges come along. But in the midst of all the excitement, don't forget your safety. After all, these are machines. They can be manipulated or make mistakes more easily than we think. So what do you think about all this? Are AI photo tools getting out of hand, or is it just harmless fun? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to stay sharp, watch out for your privacy, and use technology with care. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.